Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning SpeedsCreed. Thank you very much for your question, John. And that question was, I want a self-leveling screed I can put down myself for a workshop floor. So we'll assume that with it being a workshop floor, you're just going to want to leave it. You're not going to put any floor coverings on top. So it needs to be a wearing surface. So when you're looking for a self-leveling screed, generally you're looking for a very thin topping. So you're looking to take out imperfections from the existing floor, from the existing slab that you have down. So the types of products that you're going to look at are self-smoothing screeds. So you're just looking to skim over the surface with something like, say, 5mm, just to take out those imperfections. The substrate is very important in that it needs to be sound. So if it's starting to break up, if you've got big holes in there, all that will need to be taken care of, because otherwise, cracks, etc., will just transfer into the smoothing element and you'll end up with cracks in that, and that will end up just looking like the original substrate. So they would need repairing. It needs to be dry, it needs to be free from contaminants, grease, oil, etc. So it needs to be a good substrate. The kind of product that I would recommend would be Rona Screed, self-smoothing exterior screed on this one. So this would be a finished surface for you. So you wouldn't need any floor coverings on top. It will take the wear and tear. It is an industrial product, so you don't have to worry about that particular wear and tear. It will need a primer applying to the surface of the substrate. The product is then mixed. It's a simple bag and addition of water, paddle mixer, and then poured onto the surface at the appropriate depth. The minimum for this particular product is 5mm. You can go up to 40mm if you need to, but the minimum would be 5. So I think that would be a perfect answer for your problem. If you need anything further, please just let me know.